Hello everyone, Dave here from Charest Studios, and these clamps may change my life. I'm going to get into it in today's unboxing and review of these two camera swivel ball head clamps. They're for cameras, they could be for lights and lots of other things. So we'll get into that and I'll do the unboxing, the review, and show you how truly versatile these are. I think they're really going to be great, especially for the action cams. But anyway, let's get into it. And we'll be taking a look in and unboxing right now. So here we go, guys. And this comes with two of them, which is something I liked. And here we go. So they're nice little clamps for cameras or lighting, anything that has that 1/4 screw. First impressions, they feel pretty nice. Let's go ahead and tighten this screw here so it's not all wobbling around if we can. Okay, that's holding that nicely. So I tighten this screw up so the ball is positioned fixed right now. So we're going to go ahead and test the clamp. They have rubber on here, and looks like they open to a good 1.5 there. Maybe, yeah, even more than 1.5, but definitely 1.5 there. It's a nice strong clamp, all metal construction. You've got a nice spring in there, and yeah. So let's go ahead and take the other one out. They also come with a little. There's a couple of little Allen wrenches in here, and what that is for is that, okay guys, so what I determined is that this little set screw here is so that this won't, you can lock that in so that this won't turn. This whole thing turns and pivots so that you can put this in the down position all the way in that little slot there. And if you need it on this side, you can just turn the whole thing around, which is a nice feature. That little set screw on the front that they give you the Allen wrench for is so if you don't want it to rotate when you loosen this screw, you only want this ball part to move. I can't, you know, to me it seems like it's why would you not want the whole thing to move? But I guess if you were doing something where you were always gonna only have this thing in the same position, then you might want to just tighten that in there, lock that little set screw. It goes into a groove. I took one of these apart just to see what the functionality of that was, and there's a little groove inside that set screw will go into to prevent this red part from spinning even when this is on, you know, this is loosened. So yeah, so now when you I left that set screw out so that that's the way it comes, so that the whole thing will turn, and also you have the whole rotation of this ball head. So in summary, guys, I really love these little clamps. I've tried them out on a bunch of different things. They hold really well. They hold, you know, the ball adjustment thing holds very well. The clamp holds very well. There's a lot of various angles you can get out of this. You can put it on all kinds of things. You can mount them on something, you know, horizontal like this. You can mount them. You can turn it so that it's like this, and then be able to raise this light up like that and lock that in. So there's lots of different things. I even had put a little camcorder on, and no problem. I don't have any doubt that it would hold that nice and steady. Yeah, so if you wanted to mount it this way, it looks like you could mount it this way. Let me see if I can bend this back, guys. Okay, so it gets in the way of the clamp. The back of the body of the camcorder gets in the way of the clamp for this particular mount, but if you were to turn it just a little bit this way, then you could get the camcorder level on that type of attachment. But yeah, there's so many different ways you could do this, guys. And of course, if you were mounting it on something that was like a shelf or something that was horizontal, no problem there. So I really think I'm going to love having these little clamps, especially for the action cams, probably maybe for even a lightweight camcorder like this one, and also for these lights, for little lighting when you want a little light and you want to, put it somewhere where you can. And you can also just let them be like this and still have an adjustment. You don't, not even clamped on anything, but just sitting, pointing at a little product or something. Yeah, so I love them. They're very versatile. They seem well made. I think they're a good product. I think they're going to be a favorite of mine to be able to clamp on here and there, especially for the action cam. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I'll put an affiliate link in the description for these awesome clamps. And remember, guys, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.